Find the band. Find the band. Make them hairlines, child.
I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there.
Well, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Now today's video is brought to you by iseehair. This is my first time working with this brand. I've wanted to work with them for a while, however it never lined up with my schedule. I've actually purchased 2 wigs from them, a headband wig and a bob wig, but I haven't tried either one. So this is my first wig that I'm trying from iseehair, and this one is a pre-cut, pre-plucked, glueless wig. Glueless wig, all right? And it's a closure wig, so you don't gotta worry about a whole bunch of lace around your ears. It's glasses approved. Thank you. So if you wanna hear about what this wig got going on, make sure you stay tuned for that. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wawa today because I'm about to step outside to be a football mom, okay? So I gotta stay hydrated because it is hot outside, okay? This wig came in clutch, but you know the drill, okay? Sip it up for me if you can. Thank you. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes sourced from iseehair. All the specs are right, right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, the way my schedule is set up, I am running late. So I need to go ahead and get this wig on my head. Thank goodness it's a pre-cut, pre-plucked lace front joint because I don't got a lot of time. What I do got time for, though, is getting this wig smell together, because just like another wig that I tried recently, the smell in this one is very strong. So I did use my wig shampoo and my leave-in conditioner on this wig, but I only washed it like, you know, like 1.5, maybe 2 times, because again, I'm in a rush. But I need to spray her down definitely with some dry shampoo. So I'm gonna give it a little whole bath. All right, it's already damp from the wash, so I'm gonna spray it with water, but I'm gonna douse this joint in dry shampoo because, woo. Flip it. That definitely helped it a little bit. Hopefully it'll air out a little bit more when I go outside, because I will be outside today. My son is going to high school, y'all. Can y'all believe it? I dang sure can. But yes, he is going to high school, and he is on the high school football teams, and he got a little event today, so I'm gonna go to that. But I want to look cute. You know, it's the first impression for him and me. You know what I'm saying? I can't be going there looking like a bum, so I'm gonna be cute in the stands. I need to tint this lace because this lace is very ashy. It doesn't have any type of tint to the lace whatsoever. I'm gonna use my Maybelline press powder in the color Mocha 360. My brushes are literally right here, and I can never, this one is always stuck down in there. I'll put that all around the hairline just to blend that in. Some of this will come off when I lay my edges with my mousse, you know, mold my hairline. I can touch that back up when I finish up the styling. Oh, I have a band. Where's my band? Thank you. All right, got the band on, so let's put the wig on. Hold up, that is really tight. If your wig is too tight for this one, you can move the band up and down. I moved mine to the last hook, so the 4th hook in the wig, and then I loosened it, and the wig fits a lot better now. It's a lot more comfortable. Let me take some of that product off. I'm gonna clip this hair back really quick with my claw clip. If you want to do an upside, you can definitely do that with this wig. You just bring the sides down like that. I definitely lost my parting space when I did the wash, so let me try to get that back. The hairline is okay. I feel like this side has a little bit more hairs, but I'm gonna try not to pull anything. I just want to take some of that length off because I want to swish my baby hairs. So I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse to do that. Swishing my baby hairs and molding this hairline. Again, the mousse, whether it's Nairobi mousse or whatever you use, is not glue. It is a mold. Some people, you know, are new to wearing wigs and you may not understand that. It's only going to hold it in place. If you lift the joint or if the wind is strong enough, it's going to take your wig, all right? So make sure you are still securing your wig down with your elastic band, bobby pins, or whatever else you got to do. If you want more security, go ahead and use your Eben, your Got2b, your Esha, or whatever glue you use to hold your lace down, okay? Now they did send me a band. Thank you, ISEE. They know out the gate I like the band. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that on, okay? Wrap that down. Let me try not to get it on my daggone nape. I be pulling my daggone kitchen out. Goodness gracious. But see, this how we sitting. Okay, so the first part of the method was wash. We already did that. Now we're moving on to step 2, which is define. I'm using my mousse and my curl cream to get my curls together. So first up, I'm using my mousse all over the hair. Again, this is the defining part. If you skipping the steps or freestyling, I can't help you. Only if you do all of this should your wig come out similar to mine. Drip, drip, drip. I got that drip, drip, drip. Use my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush to clump the curls. This is their Mongolian Kinky Curly, so the curls are gonna clump really well, as you can see. My detangler brush is sold out on Amazon. However, she does have her own site, so if you wanna actually go support her, Black women-owned business, I will make sure I link it down below. And then after the mousse, you take a little bit of your curl cream. I already did this side. Work a little bit in your hand and then work that through the hair. This is gonna help control that frizz. When I use the mousse only, even though I love doing that, it does bush up the hair a little bit faster and it gives me like that 3 to 5 day wear immediately. Now, if you don't have a detangler brush, you can definitely use your fingers. Just kind of place it through the hair like this, squeeze it, and then pull down onto the hair. It'll clump those curls for you. They won't be perfect, so you will need to go back in and define them like this, but it will definitely help with the clumping factor of the hair. Twirl it around your finger and hold, and then you're gonna clip it back out your face, because that's how I do my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to step 3, which is diffusing, and then we'll come back and do step 4, aka fluff, together, okay? Be right back. Now time to fluff. I want this hair to be big and kind of messy, but because I use the curl glaze, I'm still gonna have some definition and less frizz in my wig, hopefully. Pick from the root, and don't worry if the hair is still damp. We're gonna use our blow dryer to dry through the hair and finish off the styling. All right, keep fluffing, go under, get those roots, see? Fluffing matters, okay? If you don't fluff, then you're not doing enough. These curly wigs take practice, they take time. I was not always good at curly wigs, but now that I know how to style them for me and I keep it very simple with the products, it can definitely be beginner friendly once you learn how to do it for yourself. Y'all ask me how I got this good? YouTube. Practice makes perfect, y'all, trust me. Scrunch the hair like that, do a little shake and break. Now I'm gonna use my blow dryer again. I'm gonna take the diffuser off and I'm gonna blow dry it on high and cool. The same temperature that I use to diffuse the hair. I diffuse it on high and cool. The only time I use heat on my blow dryer for my curly wigs is if I use too much product, then I will turn my heat on and blow through it really quick to kind of break up a little bit of that product. And then I will go back in and cold blast it with the cold, okay? You may get a little frizz. Don't worry about that, okay? Because I want that look for me. If you don't want the frizziness, skip this step. Stop at the fluffing with the pick. Make sure it's all dry. Here we go. This product right here on top of the mousse, yeah. Let's take off this band in the back. See what the hairline is looking like. Oh, she looking good. Let's go ahead and clip this back, just so I can blend this down because it is ashy again. And I wanna move it down a bit. That's where I want her to sit. Was that a bar? See how that swirling gets that hairline together? Yeah, that's what I like to see. But like I said, I need to tint my lace on top. Just, if you have the lace tint spray, you can definitely do that. I don't have lace tint, I have makeup. So I'm gonna use my contour, very light. Okay, that might be too much. Like a little bit of that off. Gonna go on top of that and just blend that in. Tap, 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 tap. Now for my parting space, I'm gonna use a little bit of my makeup powder. I'm just gonna pack that right in my parting space. Just right here in the front. I don't really care about this part, even though, you know, it is a parting space. I mean, you can see a little bit right there. Let me go like right there where you can see it at. I got like 5 minutes. Okay, let me finish this up. Fluff it up, fluff it up. I just realized there's no clip in the back. A comb in the back will definitely help keep this wig down. Pull some of the hair out like this. Kind of give me that messy look. Okay, Okay, y'all, so here is the final look for this hair. Very cute, very simple. It's definitely given hot weather approved because, you know, my neck gotta breathe. The curls on this unit are gorgeous. The only con I would say, or preference I would say for this wig, is the smell. Make sure you wash your wig. I have heard that the apple cider vinegar rinse or whatever, or the soak-in, will definitely help the smell of your human hair wigs if they have a strong chemical smell. This definitely gives me another throw on and go option, and I am here for it. I'm trying to get my front right. Hold up, let me get my pick out really quick. There we go, there we go. Some things a hand fluff can't do, so. This is a closure wig, so you don't get nothing on the sides. It's just lace from pretty much temple to temple, but you can still rock it behind your ears. You can see right here, and you don't need edges to do that, okay? Just put it behind your ear and you'll be good to go. I think this came out real cute, y'all. Look at me. I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. I'm about to be real cute in the stadium. Hey, coach. I'm just playing, Kenny, I'm just playing. His finger's going already. I wanna see if I can do a ponytail, because like I said, it's gonna be hot in them stands. Okay, I could definitely do that. I have a full video on how I do my ponytails for my closure wigs on my channel, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you definitely can. But as you can see right here, I'm doing it. Use the bobby pin hack to bring your edges down. Because I wear glasses, I can pretty much use my glasses to hold my hair down on the sides. But if you don't wear glasses, you can definitely use your bobby pins on the side to attach your hair to your wig cap or your wig grip if you are wearing one. I did not wear a wig grip for this one because it's pretty much secure on my head with the band. I had to come down a little bit. Y'all see how this is looking? Obviously you can see that gap in there. You can see that black band up in there. If you are picky, like sometimes I am, you can try to camouflage that with your makeup products. So I'm going to use a little bit of my pressed powder, and I'm going to try to get it up in there like that. Kind of color in that band. Now it's not a permanent fix. It's just a little quick fix so you can kind of blend in your band with your hairline. Do you see it? No, you don't. No, you don't. Find the band. Find the band. Make them hairlines, child. Turn to the back. I hope it looks okay, but if it doesn't, it's fine because I don't really care. Cute, cute, cute. Let me close up my forehead a little bit. I know, I know. Y'all, get the looks. Okay, get the looks and save the coin because I got a coupon code. So if you want to get the link to this wig so you can use the coupon, make sure you check out my description box down below. Shout out one more time to ISEE for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.